Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today's video is going to be one I've never actually done, but a ton of beauty gurus do this, and I thought, why the heck not, you know? So I'm going to be doing a hits and misses video. I'm not sure if I'm going to put March in it. It is March, so it is related to, you know, around, oh, would it be February? Hits and misses? But I'm going to be talking about my recent hits and misses of 2018 so far. These products aren't like from 2018. I mean, they could be, I don't know. But I'm just going to be talking about products that I've been loving lately and products I've been hating lately because, again, why the heck not, you know? Let's start out with this. Sorry, it's like a little hard to see because of my softbox lightings, but it is the Burt's Bees Deep Cleansing Cream. I talked about this in my best of beauty video, I believe. I said that, and I had only been using the product for about a month, but it quickly became to the top of my list. Like 100%, this product was amazing, and I've now used this product for about 4 months. You can tell that I'm like pretty much out. I need to get a new one, and I love this face wash so much. I do still get breakouts, you know, it's a normal thing to still get breakouts, but this, it's not about the breakouts. It makes my skin so soft and supple after using it. Like, I love the way my skin feels after this. It's like a whole new thing. Anytime I switch to a different face wash, it's never the same feel. Not that the other face washes aren't great, but this one makes my skin like come alive again. Winter, like, it kills your skin. It dries it out so much. And this one does such a good job. Like, I highly recommend if you have dry skin. I usually have combination skin, combo to normal, but like, I've been dry this year and this has been my savior. This is an old cult fave of mine that I don't know if I've ever talked about it, but it is the Milani Prime Shield. This was the first, I believe the first primer that I ever bought, and it was one of the best mattifying drugstore primer out there on the market. Like, it is top of my list. Like, I don't know why I switched to other primers. I tried a Maybelline one that was like pore minimizing, did not like it at all. This one is amazing, like a holy grail standard. Like, it does such a great smoothing and blurring job. Like, I don't know what it is about it. It is not pricey, but I think it's about $10, which is a little on the higher end of drugstore, but it's so worth it, and it lasts really long. You can cut it open and scrape out tons of the inside, but this is one of the best primers I've ever used, like hands down, high-end and drugstore. And it's also oil-free, so that's a bonus. A lot of times in the morning, I don't do makeup very frequently and with school and stuff because I do have a lot of early morning shifts that I work, and I go to the gym some of the days, so there's just no point to put on makeup. But when I do, I don't like to spend like as much time as I want on the weekends and stuff. So a lot of times I'm looking for like quick things to throw on that I know like are guaranteed products that like I'm gonna look good in that day. And this Rimmel London lipstick is one of them. It's in the shade 210 Rosetto. Oh my god. The color is like a nude. It's not the one on my lips right now, but it is very, very similar to my natural lip color, which is exactly what I want when I'm going through like the day and stuff, because if it does come off, it's not a crazy difference like if it were like a darker lip or anything like that, and it glides on so easy and it feels so good on my lips. It's not drying or anything like that, especially in the wintertime. You need moisture coming into your lips, and I just like love it. Like, I got it from a friend, like I didn't even buy it myself, and I have just recently, even more so than when I got it before, like I wear this pretty much every single time. I'll even wear it under lip colors and stuff like that because it's just that good as a base too. I mean, I think I'm even a little like surprised that I'm putting this in the video, but it's mini beauty blenders. Well, this isn't a beauty blender. This is by Real Techniques. I got it in a set. And you're probably thinking like, why a tiny beauty blender? Like, what is that even doing? I feel the same. I don't use it all the time, but when I'm looking for absolute perfection, this is amazing for concealer under the eye because it can just get in there so good. And I don't know what it is. Like, it is literally the same as the other beauty blenders and stuff like that, beauty sponges. But I just find this to do a much better job because of how small it is. It can really get in there, and you have to be much more precise with this one because it is so small. So I feel like it's helping you as well. I don't know, something about it, but I do love this for when I'm looking to be like crazy perfect with my concealer, with its placement, where it's going, everything like that, and getting it all in there and blended. This I just recently got maybe 2-3 weeks ago, I would say. I saw my friend was using it, and my mom was sending me a package because I was really sick and she was just sending me a bunch of things, and I needed a lip product that I can consistently keep in my room. That way I could keep one in my backpack, one in my purse. You girls know the deal with that. So I got the Aquaphor Lip Repair. It's a little tiny bottle. I think it was about $4 or $5. And Aquaphor, I swear by their, hold on. I don't know if I've ever talked about this. I guess this is in the favorites now as well. This is the Aquaphor Healing Ointment. I use this for my tattoo that I have, and it was a great, cheaper thing than buying like actual tattoo cream, whatever it is that you need for your tattoo. But now that my tattoo has healed and everything like that, this is amazing for really, really bad pimples. Pimples that you've popped to death, pimples that are like bleeding, things like that. You put this on and this is gonna heal this in like less than 3 days. Like, this product is amazing. So because I knew this was amazing, I was interested in trying this because it's lip repair specifically, and I swear by my Lucas Papa, I've talked that thing to death, but this is my second best to it. It does just as good a job as this. It's so moisturizing, so great to the lips. Like, it does what it's supposed to do. Like, there are fake lip products out there that are like, we're so good and we do this. Like, I heard like EOS, they put like, you know, something in their product to dry out your lips. This does not do that. This is keeping them like soft and supple for like 2 hours, and you're still rubbing your lips together and like you're still feeling the moisture from it. Like, it's that good, I swear. So when I was home over break, I had this coupon to Bath & Body Works, and I was really interested in trying out their like body positive mind things, stuff like that. So I got the Stress Relief Eucalyptus Spearmint Body Wash. I love this. I honestly don't know if the stress relief part really works or does anything, but the smell of it is amazing and it feels so good on my body, and I always feel so cleansed after using it. And like, I really do like to take deep breaths when I use this, because even, like I said, I'm not sure if it's really relieving any stress, but I do feel better internally, even from a moment of just smelling it, because it is that good smelling, and eucalyptus is that type of like feeling, if you know what I mean. This is a really good body wash, and I've been using this for like 3 months now, and I've only used that much because you don't need a lot, you need like a drop, and it's like doing an amazing thing. So I totally recommend this. And the last hit I have, which is like so random, hoop earrings have come back into style, and some hoop earrings can like be crazy expensive. I'm like, you're just hoops. Like, why am I paying like $12 for hoops? Walmart has this massive set for $4.88. I'm wearing the top pair right now. It's the gold ones. But you're getting all these earrings, even these massive ones, for such a cheap price. And like, of course, they're not top of the line material, so you know, your ears are not gonna look totally amazing after. They might be a little sore, you know, but I love these. Like, they're perfect when I need them because I'm not constantly wearing hoops. I'm not a crazy hoop girl, I'm more of a stud. This is great versatility, and you have a ton of options for when you need your hoops. Okay, let's talk about, I only have like 3 misses and my battery's flashing, so I might be talking a little faster, sorry. This is the Burt's Bees Deep Pore Scrub. I know I talked about this in my How to Glow Up, and this is the product that I showed. I found my other one that I use, which is St. Ives, as an exfoliator. I tried this out and I don't like it. It's such a weird, different type of exfoliator, and I definitely know there will be people that do like this, but the way it's on my face, like, I don't know if this is meant for my body or for my face. Well, it says natural face essentials. Okay, I don't know. I'm just not a fan. I don't like the way it goes on my skin. I'm sure other people love it. I think I already said that. But it's just not for me. I got this in a bag of free stuff from Ulta, so I probably should have known. It's the Derma Blend Professional Loose Setting Powder. I tried this out the other day and I went to like bake my under eye, and the second I put it on, my face makeup changed color to like more of a yellower tint than it usually is. I'm more of a neutral tone, and I could just tell where I had placed it everywhere, and it looked so weird, and it looked like I just had like big huge splotches of where I placed it, like not even like a splotch, but it was like a bad discoloration that like was so noticeable, and it looks so weird, and I don't know why it did that to my skin. I don't know if it's just my skin, the way it reacts to it, but like this is not good. Do not buy this. And the last thing that I'm like kind of iffy, like it's definitely not a hit, but it's not a full miss, and that is the e.l.f. Lip Exfoliator. It removes dead skin from your lips, and I would definitely say like that first basic layer, it's taking that away, but it consistently like misses big patches and stuff like that, and it ends up looking like, you can't tell on camera, but it ends up looking really gross from rubbing your lips on it and stuff. But it never, like I was saying, it never catches those big patches. Like you can consistently rub over and over and over, and it won't pick up that little patch that's there. It'll just keep missing it and pushing it around, and it really bothers me and drives me crazy. And I've made DIY lip scrubs that are way, way, way better. So that is it for this video, guys. If you liked watching it and you liked watching me, then you should press that subscribe button down below. It would mean a lot. Thank you for watching my hits and misses, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!